you know that 27% of employees are changing jobs right now because of a lack of career growth opportunities? As a mission-driven leader, if you want to be able to increase your impact in the world, you've got to be able to grow your people. Now, oftentimes the lack of growth opportunities stems from a leader at the top who stopped growing themselves or an organization that stopped growing. And one typically precedes the other. So let me ask you this question. Where do you need to start growing in order to ensure growth opportunities for your organization and your team? Now, you might be thinking, well, I'm fine. And honestly, I don't really have time for this. And maybe you don't want to really dedicate resources to it either. But before you move on to something else, let me remind you that it costs an organization somewhere between $20,000 and $30,000 to replace an employee who's making around $40,000 a year. And in this tight labor market, that number is probably even higher. So let me ask you again, where do you need to grow to ensure growth opportunities for your organization and for your team? Now, once you've identified where you need to grow, my next question is, do you have an intentional growth plan that's going to get you there? If not, you need to get one, because hope is not a strategy when it comes to growth. It takes intentionality and it takes a plan. So if you'd like help to develop a growth plan, reach out to me for a complimentary consultation. Growth is a journey. It is not a destination, and you don't have to journey alone.